In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Acuity button color in just about 5 minutes. It's a quick, straightforward process that can significantly impact the visual appeal of your scheduling page, aligning it more closely with your brand's aesthetics. Stick around and you'll find out just how easy it is to customize the look of your Acuity scheduling to better fit your style. First things first, head over to Acuity Scheduling's website. It's the hub where all the magic happens, allowing you to manage your appointments efficiently. Once you're there, the next step is to log in to your account. To do this, look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner, and click on it. This action should prompt you to enter your email address. Carefully type it into the designated field to ensure accuracy and avoid any potential hiccups in accessing your account. After entering your email, you'll be prompted to click Next to proceed. Following this, you'll have the option to continue with Google. This is a convenient feature if your Acuity account is linked to your Google account, streamlining the login process. Simply click on Continue with Google, and you'll be presented with a list of Google accounts. Select the one that's linked to your Acuity account to move forward. With the login process out of the way, it's time to navigate to the heart of today's task. Go directly to your scheduling page. This page is where you can manage your calendar, settings, and, importantly for today, the appearance of your scheduling interface. Looking for the scheduling page option should be straightforward, but if you happen to stumble, keep an eye out for navigation menus typically located at the top of your screen after logging in. Once on the scheduling page, your next action will be to click on Appearance. This section is crucial as it governs the visual aspects of your scheduling system. It's where you can make your scheduling page truly yours by adjusting its look to match your brand or personal preference. After accessing the appearance settings, look for the button accent color option. This is where Acuity gives you the power to infuse your personal or brand's palette into the scheduling interface. Changing this color will alter the appearance of buttons and several other elements within your scheduling page, making it vital to choose a color that complements your overall design scheme. To select a new color, you'll need to click on the drop-down menu associated with the button accent color setting. This drop-down is your gateway to a spectrum of colors, offering you the freedom to choose a hue that best matches your visual identity. Take your time here to select a color that not only appeals to you, but also maintains readability and aesthetic harmony on your page. Once you've zeroed in on the perfect color, it's time to make it official by clicking on Save Changes. This final step applies your chosen color to your scheduling interface, culminating the customization process. Remember, the goal here is to ensure your scheduling page not only functions well, but also visually aligns with your brand or personal style. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully changed the Acuity button color, giving your scheduling page a more customized and refined look. Remember, the visual appeal of your scheduling page can significantly impact the user experience, making this customization not just a matter of aesthetics, but also of practicality. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you wish to update your page's look to keep it fresh and aligned with any new brand changes. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found the instructions clear and easy to follow. Don't forget, the power of customization is key to standing out and making your online presence uniquely yours. Keep experimenting with Acuity's various settings to find what works best for you. And as always, keep optimizing for a better user experience. Happy scheduling!